Work for a manufacturing leader, for me, represents commitment and responsibility. So every product we take out of the door has to be excellent for our customers. It's important to manufacturing our own systems because we can provide the service to our customers from design to implementation. Core product here is the conveyors. In a week, we can run 3,000, 4,000 different variants. The biggest challenge that we have is to make sure that we give that flexibility to our customers. Made by Dematic means that it was well done. We control every detail. So that is how we bring this quality and reliability to our customers.